Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Emblem full guide. Start by gathering tools: plastic trim tool, heat source, adhesive remover, rubbing alcohol, soft cloth, and replacement emblem. Prepare the work area with shade and a steady surface to avoid sunlight or debris. Work slowly to avoid paint damage and keep parts organized. I will walk through each step in clear detail so you can finish confidently and cleanly. In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Emblem full guide. Begin by listing tools: plastic trim tool, hair dryer, adhesive remover, microfiber cloth, rubbing alcohol, and masking tape. Protect nearby paint with masking tape and park in a shaded area so adhesive won't reharden quickly. Have a soft container to hold screws or clips. Proper preparation shortens time and reduces the chance of accidental damage to your vehicle. In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Emblem full guide. Warm the emblem evenly for 1 to 2 minutes using a hair dryer, then insert the plastic trim tool under an edge and work slowly to lift the emblem free. Remove old adhesive residue with a safe solvent and a soft cloth until the surface is smooth. Align the new emblem carefully using tape guides, press firmly, and allow adhesive to cure as recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.